Hello and welcome to another Paybox Timer website navigation video. Today we will be learning how to use the Prepay Code tab. This feature allows you to offer your tenants cashless payments and no transaction fees with our Paybox devices. And here we've come to our main Paybox Timer website, and we are going to log in now. So just going ahead and doing that. And that brings us to our main portal, and here we are going to go down and look at the third tab, the Prepay Code. From here, when we open the page, we are going to go to our blue tab, Add New Prepay. Now from there, we're going to be prompted to enter in our tenant's email, so I'm just going ahead and doing that right now. And then I'm going to have to create a code for them to use. So in this case, I'm just going to use numbers. 4343 would seem easy to remember. And in the scenario, they've already given me $25, so I'm going to add that to their account. Click Save. And now my tenant is in the system. We can see them there. We've given them a code to use. And we also have our balance. And now we're just going to go ahead and create another prepaid tab for another tenant. And this time this is Sally, and we're entering in again her email. And then I'm going to create a different code. She's a fan of baseball, so rather than using an alphanumeric code, I'm just going to put in a phrase baseball. And she's prepaid me $25. And I'm going to save that. And again, her information's there. And just to make sure that we know what's going on, let's do this one more time. So we've got our third tenant. This is Paul. Again, we're just going in and putting in his email. And now Paul, he's a fan of Paybox. He really likes our products, so we've made him a silly code. We put in a Paybox with a space, rules, with 3 exclamation marks. So you can be really flexible with your codes. And again, he's prepaid me $25, so I'm just going to close that and save. And then when we need to go in and make adjustments, that is also very easily done. All we need to do is click on the individual tenant and their information will come up. And in this scenario, we're going to add more funds to their account. So you can see I've added $5 and it's brought them up back to $25. And then for Sally, we can see that she's gone through a little bit more. So I'm adding $10 and that's going to bring her back up to $25. We're going to save that. And lastly, Paul has really been working through his account. He's given us $22 to bring him back up to $25. And so it's very easy to make these adjustments as necessary on the fly, if you will, when adding funds or making changes. And of course, you know, people come and go. And if a tenant has moved on and we need to remove them from the system, all we do is click on the box. And we are then going to go up to the delete selected. It will ask us for a confirmation. We click it, and then that tenant is removed from the system. In conclusion, the Prepay Code tab offers your tenants credit and cashless transactions in conjunction with our mobile apps and Paybox devices. For more information, you can visit us on the web at limitedresources.us, payboxtimer.com, or give us a call at 1-647-931-1829. Thank you very much and have a great day.